In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a Todoist project. This is really useful if you're cleaning up old collaborations, tightening access to a project, or simply reorganizing who should be involved in a specific task list. First, make sure you're signed into your Todoist account and that you've opened the project you want to adjust. You can do this from the web app or the desktop app. The layout may look slightly different, but the main controls will be in similar places. Once you're inside the correct project, look toward the top of the screen for the sharing options. You should see a button or an icon labeled Share. This is where Todoist lets you manage who has access to the project. Go ahead and click on the Share button. When you do, a small window or panel will appear, showing the list of people who currently have access to that project. In this list, each project member will usually have their name or email displayed, along with an icon or avatar. Next to each member, you'll see a small arrow or drop-down indicator. This arrow is your control for managing that specific person's permissions. Find the member you want to remove from the project, and then click on the arrow beside their name. Clicking that arrow will open a small menu with a few options. One of those options will be to remove that person from the project. The wording may look like Remove from Project, and that's the one you're looking for. Carefully select that option. Todoist may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove this member, especially if they currently have tasks assigned to them within the project. Once you confirm, that person will immediately lose access to the project and all of its tasks, comments, and details. They will no longer see it in their project list. This is a good moment to double check your remaining members and make sure only the right people still have access. If you're working with a team, it can also be helpful